the Palm Springs look, that mid-century look that I want. So the facade's going to be completely transformed, but a major part of that is this blade stone wall, like my Brady Bunch inspired wall.
Yeah.
So I know I want to add texture on there.
Contrast on this job?
The house is essentially white.
Okay.
The roof is sort of a bluey grey tone, and the windows are going to be charcoal, sort of like that dark eyeliner detail on the
I
white.
love it.
So something perhaps with a sort of a bluey grey tone could work with that.
Okay, so what we've got here, we've got a wide range of options, starting from our stack stone in obviously lineal format, corners around the bends. The only negative is it's going to be very uniform.
Yeah, it's sort of quite piecey,
It is. So if we're going for something a little bit more freeform, a little bit more natural, we need to go into just our normal free wall cladding.
Yeah.
So here we've got our sandstone, our granite and our quartz, all multiple thicknesses and different sizes. So your stonemason, he'll be able to sort of piece that together like a puzzle and it will look spectacular.
And that beautiful articulation of the different shapes. So I know that it's going to require more labour to install it, and I know I can see that dollar sign with the lines in cost. But that vertical line and the stone, I know I'm preaching to the converted with you, but the stone element on this house is going to be a major component to transform the whole architecture.
Absolutely, and that's going to be, that's the money maker right there. So as people approach, that's what they're going to identify first. So sandstone cladding obviously is perfect for our coastal region, and we have a few forms of it. So we can do it with more of our rusty reds coming through if we want to contrast, but white on white themes at the moment, we're loving our Evoca. And it comes with all the corner pieces. So if we need to get around the bend, we've got the solution for that.
And that gives you that nice articulation.
Absolutely.
There to get the character.
Yeah.
I love the look. I love it. But I think I want to go deeper. I want to have a bit more contrast. I want to pull a little bit.
All right, so here we've got our cobalt, which I wanted to point out first. Now some deep, heavy blue undertones.
A little bit more ski lodgy.
Absolutely. Think of Threadbow, Jindabyne. That's where we're sort of heading.
Beautiful look.
But it will be a heavy tone.
This looks like it's bluish but lighter.
So this is our Laguna quartz. That is, again, ranges from 20 to 50 mil, large sizes, but it's got a lot of warmth and it's got a blue undertone, and it could be perfect for your job.
I love all of the products. So it's like, I'm loving the look of the sandstone. I can see it work. I do want it a bit deeper. I like the sparkliness in the quartz actually, and I think that could play on light really nicely.
The sun will catch that.
Definitely down here, these two caught my eye when I walked in,
Okay.
and I can see those bluey tones. I think I just need to have a play with which one's going to work well, and I get what you're saying about the darker tones, which I just wonder if, I think I want a softer contrast, but I think between those two is where I'm at this moment.
Well, let's get you some samples, get them home, and you and your partner can have a fight about that.
A designer fight.
Yes.
Yeah. I had a vision. Jess provided me with amazing options. I narrowed it down, and as you can see, the end results are outstanding. Here's just a glimpse to see how important this wall is in our facade. You need to check out the reveal on James Bought a House.